Hello everyone, my name is Gali Wester and I'm the CEO and founder of Plazus Technologies. And in this series of different blockchain for business, we really talk about the different digital assets that as business owners and people that operate within a medium-sized business and enterprises, it is our responsibility to protect these digital assets, and the best way to do that is using blockchain technology. Today I wanted to talk about the massive business opportunity when you look at the different digital elements and how you can use blockchain technology in order to protect them as part of your business flows. So as discussed in a few videos ago, today we live in a world where it is the internet of information for the past 25 years. But we're entering an era of the fourth industrial revolution, also known as the internet of value. And the way we create the internet of value is we use this amazing technology called blockchain, in particularly, and how we can integrate that into our business flows. Let's talk about some key questions that you need to ask yourself in your business, whether or not it is the right opportunity for you to implement blockchain as part of your regular business flows. Question number one, do you use intermediaries and third parties such as banks, compliance officers, or different liabilities? Do you use these parties in order to deliver and to be able to do your job to your customers? Question number two, are you working with different digital assets that include personal data, financial transactions, insurance, legal contracts? When you use those different digital assets and you process them for your clients, you actually have to protect, for example, personal data very much, and you have to comply with the different rules, especially the privacy rules. If you are in the insurance and healthcare industries, you have to comply with different rules such as HIPAA. If you are a serious company, whatever you do have to create some sort of an authoritative, permanent record of these digital assets. And if that is the case for you, you should consider blockchain for your business. Question number three, do you require some sort of a shared write access to your data? And what do I mean by that? At times, we work in silos. In every business out there, we always work in silos. The reason is because there's a lot of integration, because we can't do everything in our business. We have to really focus on what we do best. So if, for example, I need a CRM to manage my sales lead and my customers and my employees, I might use a business system such as Salesforce. I might use an HR system such as Sage. I might manage all of my information on SharePoint, or maybe I'm using Google Cloud. All of these are different parties. You also have different players in the different systems that you might be coordinating with. Lawyers, we talked about compliance officers, or visa officers if you're looking to employ people around the globe. When you have multiple parties that are involved, what happens is if they're talking in different databases, in different channels, a lot of times there are disputes. And when there are disputes, you lose money and you lose time, which is even more important than money. When that case, you have to have an authoritative, permanent, immutable record of these different digital assets, and the only way to do that is with a self-executed code that really executes these business flows and then provide this proof of integrity on an immutable ledger, also known as blockchain. So as you can see, there's many different businesses in different industries that are using and implementing blockchain already. You've got it in fintech, in healthcare, in compliance, in HR, in supply chain, and a lot of them are already getting into the game of this beautiful innovation technology to create integrity around your business, but also positively affect your bottom line. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to be an enterprise. You do not have to spend millions of dollars or implementing this technology. Actually, you can start with a really simple step, which is a free assessment tool that we're providing here at Plazus. You're welcome to contact us at support@plazus.com.